Your car stinks, but today I'm going to show you something that's going to change your life forever with their all-new Total Reset Odor Eliminator. Hey. Telling me you don't like bananas? I love them. We love them here, right, Tito? Ooh, it turned red. Time's up. See the sweat? What's up, Chemical Guys family, and welcome to a brand new video and product drop. Today we have our all-new Total Reset Odor Eliminators. These are great because these are going to destroy any kind of foul odors lingering on your interior. They're available in 2 great scents, including our new car smell and black frost. So now that we've unveiled the new product, let's show you guys how easy it is to use on your interior. Before we begin, the first thing that we have to do is deep clean the interior and also get rid of anything that can be causing foul odors. Alright, so the interior is clean, which means that now we can go ahead and start using the odor eliminator. Now, a couple ground rules before you actually just click it in and run out. You want to make sure that there are no people, pets, or plants inside your vehicle. So make sure that all that stuff is removed, and then you can go ahead and carry on with the rest of the odor elimination process with their all-new Total Reset. So we have 2 different scents, and for today's test, I'm actually going to be going with our black frost scent, just because that's my personal favorite. And before we actually start just, using it, want to make sure that you first turn on your vehicle and turn the AC on. Ooh, it turned red. All right, so now that the vehicle's on and the AC is on, now it's time to turn up the fan to full blast, and we also want to make sure that it's set to recirculation mode. All right, so the car is on, the AC is on full blast, and it's on recirculation mode, and the only thing you have to do is basically set this down onto a flat surface, engage the trigger lock, and then get out the car. That's it. All right, guys, you guys already know what time it is. Just go ahead and pop the top, engage the trigger lock, make sure it's not pointing your face, and get out the car. Woo! All right, guys, so we're outside the car. Obviously, the odor eliminator is still inside the car doing its job, but keep in mind the vehicle is on. So the last thing that you want to do is walk away, leaving your car that's on unattended. So make sure that you're around the vicinity. And in the meantime, instead of just sitting around and kicking our feet, what we're going to do instead is go ahead and hit all the details of our vehicle. And we're going to go ahead and take advantage of this time. And we actually have a stop clock right here of 15 minutes to show you guys how much you can actually do in 15 minutes of this thing doing its job while it's on the inside of your car. And bam! All right, so we're gonna start off by spray waxing our car. So since the vehicle is clean, I'm gonna be using some Blazing Banana. All I'm gonna do is spray some of that onto a soft microfiber towel, start wiping down the car, and we're gonna start waxing it up. So just go ahead and wipe away and have a separate towel to buff off any excess wax and to lock in that shine. Woo! Nice and slick, baby. And keep in mind, right now, I'm not really too worried about it getting on the glass or anything like that because I am still going to be going over the trim and the glass. So don't worry about that stuff. Right now, we're primarily working on the paint. So we just want to make sure the paint is shiny and protected. And one of my favorite things about Blazing Banana is that this thing smells incredible. If you guys think the same, go ahead and comment some banana emojis in the comments down below. You telling me you don't like bananas? I love them. We love them here, right, Tito? Alrighty, dude. And it looks like we're basically all done. Just got to get this back part real quick, and then we're going to move on to the tires and trim. Let's move on, you guys. So we're going to put our Blazing Banana down to the side, and now we're going to grab some tire and trim gel. This thing right here. Let's check this out. Check this out. So our trim, it's looking dull. It's looking like my elbows. If you don't want your trim to look dull and neglected, this is what you need in your life. Some tire and trim gel. Go ahead and apply a couple drops onto a soft microfiber applicator. And then simply massage it onto the surface. And check it out. It brings your trim back to life. All right, guys, now here's the fun part. This thing has plastic all around it. So I'm going to go ahead and coat the whole plastics all around the vehicle with the tire and trim gel. So let me go ahead and speed through this and I'll be right back. All right, so we just finished restoring the trim with tire and trim gel, and it looks great. But the tires, on the other hand, not so much. So today, because speed is the name of the game, we're gonna be using our Shine Logic RS Tire Shine. If you guys didn't know what RS stands for, it stands for Rapid Shine. Check out how fast I shine these tires. Shake it up and spray. Trim is good, tires are good, the paint is good, but what's lacking is the glass. There's all kinds of dirt, dust, and water spots on it, so we're gonna go ahead and quickly clean it up with our streak-free glass cleaner. We're gonna spray directly onto a soft microfiber towel Gently go over it and then come back over with another dry side to wipe off any excess and grime left behind. Time's up. Do you see my sweat? See the sweat? All right, so it's been 15 minutes. As you guys saw, we did a whole bunch of stuff on the exterior as the odor eliminator was doing its job on the inside. We cleaned the glass, we spray waxed the paint, we restored the trim, and we brought some great shine to the tires, and we did all that within 15 minutes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna reset the clock for another 15 minutes. Wow. And now we're gonna turn off the car, open the windows, and let it air out. Meanwhile you do that, you can feel free to continue where you left off. If you didn't finish detailing your car, go ahead and do whatever you have left to do to it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and as always, if you guys want to pick up your bottle of Total Reset Odor Eliminator, you can do so on our website, chemicalguys.com, or by visiting your local detail garage store. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, and I'll see you next time. I forgot about the countdown. This is very anticlimactic. Boom!